Hello, mister. My name is Alison Lino. I'm going to talk about of the earthquake that occurred in Ecuador in 2016. The province of Manabí was shaken by 7.8 magnitude earthquake on Saturday, April 16, 2016 at 6:58 p.m. The epicenter was located in Pedernales. However, the earthquake was also strongly felt in the other 5 provinces of the Ecuadorian coast: Guaya, Santa Elena, Los Ríos, Santo Domingo, and El Oro, among other cities in the country, and left more than 600 dead. That Saturday, I was alone in the office working and had to leave at 7:30 p.m. I was sending a few emails before the end of my day when everything started to move. So I immediately went outside, and my boyfriend was waiting for me outside the office to take me home. The duration of the earthquake was very long, and when it ended, everything turned into chaos. There was no electricity, and no calls could be made either. I got home, my family was fine, but we were all scared. Thanks through the news on TV, we could see the magnitude of the damage caused by the earthquakes, such as damaged roads, collapsed house, business such as cinemas, shopping malls, hypermarkets destroyed, and the more terrible, many dead people. The next day, regardless of the circumstance, they told me I had to go to work, and I did. As the days went by, all Ecuadorians came together to help those who needed and to move on and overcome this natural disaster that we have to live.